Bitcoin fitness? Come present. Have you got your presentation? No, are you just going to talk quickly? Okay, cool.
Thanks, brother. Thanks. Okay, I'm Blaise Peter by name. I'm from Nigeria originally. So we started Beat Fitness just to give people Bitcoin education, sports and fitness. We encourage people to actually do their consistent workout 21 days with our 21 days challenge, and then host football tournaments for people that enjoy playing football, everything sport related. But currently now, because I play football also, so that's why we are playing football tournaments, and then whoever wins the tournament gets rewards in sats. That's after the tournament. And also our 21 days challenge, also whoever stays consistent with the 21 days challenge gets to earn sats also. And then also we want to make sure that there are places where people can actually go and spend these sats within our circular economy, because we are trying to build a circular economy in the sense that people are earning from their fitness and then earning also for enjoying to play football. But also we really want to make it sustainable in the sense that, okay, people that are actually earning are also looking for ways that they can actually prioritize their passion in whichever way, if it's sports, fitness. So that's why we really want to make sure that we have places where we can spend, like farmers, proper farmers, supermarkets, and then also encourage people also, whichever way, if it's fitness, sports, you find ways, we educate them on ways that they can use Bitcoin, earn Bitcoin from all over the world and from the things that they're passionate about, but mainly in sports and fitness. So yes, that's what we do at Beat Fitness, basically. So I don't know if anyone has any question or anything that they would like to encourage us with. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Get some fitness in here.
I'm just curious, where are you getting the sats to reward these people? Are you self-funding it, or do you have money coming in, or are you charging for tickets to the events, or where do the sats come from?
Here we go.
So currently now, the sats that we are circulating are the ones that our own sat and the ones that we got from support, because we are also in the Bitcoin Federation community also. So we really do get support. So those are the sats we are using right now to actually encourage other people to know that they can actually earn sats from staying fit and playing football also. It's just that right now we are just trying to spark that curiosity for people to earn it from actually playing the competitions. It's really not hard. It's really not easy to play football, and so when they earn the sats, we also show them how they are going to spend the sat also. But what we are trying to do, we want to make sure that we are keeping the sats in our community, because what they are just using to spend right now is Pick and Pay, Zappa, and what's it called, Bootlegger. Those are the places that we've shown them that, okay, yeah, these are places where you can spend this, because it's just to make them know that, okay, this is actually money. It's not just something that's flying on the internet. You can actually use this as your day-to-day savings and spending too also. It's what that basically does is just to make them practically use it, from earning it, because right now they are not buying it. So we are the ones just trying to circulate it to their community for them to, also have that deep curiosity to want to know more, to know that it's not just all about spending. You can actually store your value here also. So yes, that's what we are trying to build, and we are still in the process intensively. So yeah, is there any other question, please? We want those questions so that we know how to navigate this new year. Yeah. Man, thank you very much. Thanks, man. Thanks, man.